So in this video, we're going to learn how to connect Google Tag Manager with your website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have shown you how to create Google Tag Manager account and how you will get the Google Tag Manager code. So what you have to do right now, go to the backend of your website. So how you can go to the backend of your website, you know very well. So after the domain itself, you can write, for example, domain. This one is my, let's just example, this one is my site, and then you have to write, is it if it is a WordPress site, then you have to write wp admin and then click. You'll go to the backend of your website, right? So this is how you can go to the backend of your website. And then what you have to do, you have to, you know um, either you have to paste this code at the header section of your website, like this is called, so head section and body section. So you can copy it, and then you can, you know you can go to the appearance, and you can click on theme file editor. This is somewhat kind of tricky, and you have to be much more aware about that whenever you are putting it. So you will see the header.php, this one, and then you have to paste it over here, right? So if there is something you can mess up, so rather than choosing this path, I believe that it is better to have something like this, code snippets. And how you can get it, there are so many plugins which will automatically help you to put any code at the header and body section and footer section of your website. So first of all, you have to go to the plugin section, and then add plugin, and then right over here, like for example, add plugin. uh, you can write wp, or just header and footer, write this, and you'll find a bunch of plugins available on WordPress. So you can choose any of it. And this one I have got, so you can install and then activate it. So I've got this one. After activating it, so this one I have to click header and footer. Okay, so let's see. So this one, at the header section, you have to copy this one and then paste it over here, and copy this one and then paste you know over here, right? And then save change. So I'm not gonna use this option 2 because I have another option for WordPress. So I'm gonna do it again. So let's just say I'm gonna again install a plugin which will help me to enable the data layer in my website. So I have to go for this tool. So I've got to click add plugin. It is taking a little bit of time, I'm sorry for that. So add plugin, boom, it is coming. So I will select this one, add plugin. Okay, this one is available, I have installed it. So click on settings. If you have installed, just click on settings, and yeah, and now you have to paste this code, this one you will see like this, and then paste it over here, and then keep it on, right? And keep it off. So this is how you can connect Google Tag Manager with your WordPress. And in the up and coming videos, I'm going to show you what are the things that you have to do in order to enable the data layer. So you'll find this off. So I'm gonna look, container code. Turning off the Google Tag Manager container itself will remove both head and body part of the container code, but leave data layer codes working. So if you want to, if you want to enable the data layer, then you have to just keep it on. So uh, I think for this video case, I'm just keeping it as it is. So, and then click save change. Boom. We have connected our Google Tag Manager with our website. So whenever the loading is complete, I am going to, you know, I'm going to so let me make it on. This is a video. I'm not gonna make any video for how to tell you that how to create, how to enable the data layer. So you have to keep it on and then click on save changes. Most probably you it will no, it remains the same. So for e-commerce business, we have to look at some of the things like this basic data. So if you have login things, then you have to logged in user id, login username, login user email, visitor ip. You can tick them all, right? So if you want to get the browser.os data in the data layer, then you can keep them on, right? And then save change. Okay, boom, it is taking time. So um, after that, I'm going to show you that. Okay, please wait for a minute. um, okay, we have to go to the integration, and for contact form 7 we can tick it on, but there are some tools like some custom listener that we can use for connecting contact form 7, for tracking contact form 7. So we have to go to the WooCommerce, since we are uh, looking for tracking e-commerce thing. So you have to click over here, pull products per impression, keep it 0, because we are not going to see a long huge bunch of you know uh, uh, products. So cart content in data layer, you can keep it on. Customer data in data layer, order data in data layer, because they are important. Customer data in data layer should be uh, in the data layer, because we want to uh, track the enhanced data. So these are what important for us. So we can also, you can keep exclude tax from revenue, you can do it. um, and then cart content in data layer, you can keep it. Okay, just save change, and boom, we are going to see now that everything. If your business is a blog site, then you can have like this, tick them all, because these are something you will get. So you can have it like the post title, post author name, post date. So if you want to track them, then you can have it. So that's not a big deal. So now I am going to preview and see whether our data layer is enabled or not, whether our Google Tag Manager is connected or not. So you will see like this. Okay, it is taking a bit of time. Let's see. Just because of the network, it is doing a lot of issue currently. If you don't know, okay, look, the tag assistant is connected and everything has come to our list. So yeah, this is how you will see it. And then in the up and coming video, we're gonna show you how to track events. So stay tuned till the end and you will see how we have enabled the data layer. For example, I have selected the item, this one. Okay, unless after full, you know, okay, this one is I'm viewing the content, viewing the item. So look, this is the data layer and this is the data layer, everything: item id, SKU, price, stock level, stock status, Google business vertical. So everything is available in our data layer. So uh, we can track everything, right, and the currency and value. So this is how you can enable the data layer and you can connect your Google Tag Manager account. Thank you for watching this video.